In Jamaica, agriculture remains significantly underdeveloped. A majority of Jamaicans are food insecure. Self-reliance is of critical importance. It was the PNP in the 70s under Michael Manley who sang the message of self-reliance, and it is still relevant. In fact, it is even more relevant today. Jamaica imports over $1 billion US of food annually, and a good portion of that could and should be produced here. Our agricultural policy will be robust. We will support farmers with better farm roads and irrigation networks. We will invest in storage facilities so that farmers don't suffer massive losses in times of glut. We'll revive and expand the PC banks to provide flexible credit lines for production. So many small farmers are bawling for credit and can't get it. And we will ensure that Jamaica's remaining arable lands are not misdirected into other uses, undermining the future of our people because they can't grow food where land is not available to grow it on. And we will encourage larger producers to partner with small farmers in production ecosystems, building relationships to transfer technology and improve the efficiency of our farmers. It has been successfully done in the poultry industry, and we think it should be done in every single aspect of agricultural life. And urban farming will be given greater attention and support. Urban farming provides employment, relieves poverty, and improves nutrition in inner city communities. And we believe that there's tremendous potential to expand there as well.